Those heavy rains and high winds headed our way. Flooding is a major concern in parts of New Jersey. CBS News' Ilana Gold is live in Manasquan with more. Ilana.
Mary, we're standing on Manasquan Beach, and this storm is getting so intense. We've noticed some big changes in the last few minutes. The rain out here is really coming down. It is just pouring, and this wind is so fierce. It's difficult to even stand out here. But here is a big problem. Take a look at these waves. They are just massive, and the big concern is that all of this water is going to flood this area and so many other parts of the Jersey Shore. You can't miss the crashing waves in the Manasquan Inlet on the Jersey Shore, and they're getting plenty of attention in this coastal community. When you look at this water, does it make you nervous?
A little bit nervous, yes.
The fierce wind gusts nearly forcing the high water to rush over the barrier, and the most intense part of the storm hasn't even hit yet.
It's pretty aggressive today. It's pretty high, and I don't even think it's high tide yet. So we're in for a little bit of flooding here.
Down the way at Manasquan Beach, these sand dunes should prevent water from flooding nearby homes during this round of severe weather. But people here aren't taking any chances, so this property management service has been securing patio furniture from dozens of homes along the waterfront. You've got a busy job ahead of you today.
We've got a long day, a long couple of days.
Over in Brick, New Jersey, the force of the water already washed away the sand, protecting the barrier of the seawall. And the neighbors worry for what's to come as wild weather moves in.
Hopefully the wall will hold it and we'll be okay.
During high tide in Ortley Beach, you can see the water goes right up to this property. The hope is that the storm damage is minimal, but these coastal communities are getting ready for whatever comes their way. What are you doing to prepare?
We brought all the furniture in from outside and just, stocking up on water and food and just hoping for the best.
And back out here live, where we're already starting to see some flooding on the side streets. So far, we haven't noticed any drivers having any major problems, but this could change as the day goes on and the storm gets more intense. We're live in Manasquan, New Jersey. Ilana Gold, CBS 2 News.